Hi everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm going to do some unboxing of my Christmas decorations. Now I started pulling some things out because I wanted to go ahead and try to get ahead of myself, but then I forgot to turn on the camera. But I did set up my cozy corner where it's supposed to be. So I just want to take you guys along to show you some of the stuff that I have already and some few items that I purchased new for this year. Yes, I look broke down, just got back in town, and I'm a little tired. So if you're interested in seeing what's all this mess, stick around, guys. Okay, first off, I'm going to go with the sacks I have laying out here. I picked up some picks from the Dollar Tree. Picked up 2 of these red ones, and I picked up about 4 of these berries. I have a DIY I'm going to try with those. Now, in this bag from the Dollar Tree, I got 2 of these big ornaments, red ones. That's supposed to be a DIY. I'm not sure if I'm going to complete it or not. But I got 2 of these. Aren't they cute? And then I got 2 of these guys. Okay, that's those bags. The other bags are way over there. So now we're going to go into this bin. And here are some picks that I've had for a while. They're these silver ones that I purchased a while back from the Dollar Tree. Also inside, I do have a couple of these silver poinsettias. So, as you see, it's still in the bag, the Dollar Tree bag. I try to keep the bags, keep things wrapped. Now in here, if you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love snowmen. And so when I saw this online, I had to get it. It was on eBay. I have the salt and pepper shaker, Mr. and Mrs. Snowman. Let me pull him out. I have them. I love the blue color snowman, not the black one, the black type. I like the blue ones. So I have the Mr. and Mrs. Snowman salt and pepper shakers. Not sure if I'm going to be using these guys this year. I don't know if I'm going to do the kitchen in blue this year or what. Not sure. And then I looked up and found napkin rings in the same sort. Here's the Mrs. Snowman. And here is the Mr. So I know I'm not using these guys this year because my table is a totally different color. But I do love my snowmen. So that's why they are still here. Now, on with the show. Let me zip this back up. Okay. Now, I know some of you guys have gotten these, the big red bows. I have a silver one. I have a green one. The red one you've seen is on my cozy corner. Then I have a few of these Dollar Tree little Christmas trees. Oh, here's a silver bow. And then I got these one year from the Dollar Tree. These, I think they came from the 99 cents only store. There are some very huge Christmas ornaments. There are snowflakes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. When I stayed in Richmond, I used those on, I think it was the tree there because the tree is so big. Okay, here is some more snowman memorabilia. I have the cheese plate with the snowman, the spreader here. And then I have the spoon rest that's in here for the snowman. Now, here are my silver reindeers. The ones that I'm going to be using on my breakfast table So you'll see that coming up soon on there. Set those to the side because I will be using those. Now these, I know I'm not using these snowflakes because they have blue on the front. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree a couple of years back. As you know, my tree color this year has changed drastically. And then I have some blue stars. So they tell you one year I did my tree in blue. And then I have these pretty silver ornaments that I picked up from Dollar Tree. They're snowflakes. I've had these a couple of years. These I will be using. And then I have this garland that's silver. I'm not going to use that, I don't think. These were used on DIY stickers. And here are some more of those silver ornaments, but these are the poinsettias. These are pretty. So I'll be getting the tree together hopefully today. Let's see, this is a table runner. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. It's silver and blue, but I'm doing the table in there in blue, silver. So we shall see. And I have these little snowflakes, white and silver. I use those as coasters. This bin houses a lot of things, guys. This bin houses these copper angels, copper and silver. Copper and brass angels. I have the small, the medium, and the large, and these. Not sure if I'm going to be using these this year. I might put them in the china cabinet. Not sure. Now, these guys I'm looking forward to use. I have a lot of these clear icicles. They're definitely going to be used this year on the tree. And then I have some white ones as well. Now, guys, I got these at the Dollar Tree and the 99 cents only store a few years back. So I can't tell you if they have them now, but that's where I got them from. But these ornaments were purchased at the Dollar Tree about 2 years ago, I think, maybe 3. Let's see. Now, I do love my snowman, as I said. So I try to keep them wrapped in bubble wrap because they are so fragile. But here is one of my snowmen, the frosted snowman. Now I know I'm using these guys this year. Then here are some apple ornaments. This is some ribbon I had. I forgot I had this. Some silver ribbon that I used on the tree years ago. I think maybe 2 years ago. I try to keep all this stuff separated in some kind of way. Oh, I forgot about these. These little red ribbons. These were purchased at Dollar Tree, but I didn't use them last year when I purchased them. I put them away because I said I changed the color of the room. Now, what is this? Oh, this is my teapot. Now, is this my teapot? Oh no, this is my creamer and stuff. Now, my snowman collection, I'm going to put it to the side, guys, because I have so much. But I will be doing some kind of hot chocolate bar, something with these snowmen. So you will see all of that when I unpack it, because I do have a lot of snowmen. So I'll put this to the side because they are so cute. What is that jingling? Now these were from the Dollar Tree. These snowflakes. I'm using these as placemats. Then I have these blue and white and snowflake napkins. Been had those for years to go with my snowman collection. Here's another silver ornament. And then I have these snowflake ornaments here. I bought these at the 99 cents only store about maybe 2 years ago. Now, these I regret that I only purchased 3. These are some very pretty designs that I picked up at the Dollar Tree a couple of years back. And I don't know why I only got 3. But they are very pretty. I hope you can see that glitter and stuff on there. You may not be able to see it, the detailing on it. But I love these. And I only got 3. Then I have my stocking holders. I have snowflakes. I have 2 of these. I'm not using this year. This is my mitt and my pot holder for the snowman. Oh, where's her baggie? This is the head off of my Mrs. Snowman. Why is she not in her bag? Oh, the bag is busted. I have to get another bag for her. This is a Mrs. Snowman. She has a purse somewhere. Or she's not the one with the purse. I think the little one is the one with the purse. Here is the baby snowman. Now I have 2 other babies. Now here is the father snowman. So guys, this is a little bit of the things I have that I'm unboxing now. As you turn over here, I know you see me sitting on the floor, but I have my I have the Christmas ornaments over there. I have red and gold, silver, and then there's some blue and red in the box. And then here you see the ribbons from the Dollar Tree. I have the solid red ones here. Then I have some red and white ones. And don't ask me where. They're in here somewhere. And here is my tree still in the bag. And in the bag. So I'm getting things going, guys. I just wanted to show you a little bit of me unpacking some of my items and getting ready for this whole decoration thing. So, guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. Not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell. Once you click that bell, a notification screen will appear. It will ask you to send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and then click save. And then, guys, you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also, guys, if you can, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below on the screen and down below as well in the description bar. So, guys, as always, this is Stephanie from Creative Miss Me in the mess of the mix, saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.